We'll guide you through how to enable or disable app notifications on your Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, app notifications can be convenient as they can go and notify you of different things for the app. But you may want to go and disable them because they're annoying you, or go and enable them. Now, there are different ways you can go about this, so make sure this full guide, as otherwise you may go miss an important part of this. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, there's this setting we need to go and check, which can go and mute and silence all notifications and stop them sort of notifying you. So what you can do is you can go and drag down at the top, and you may need to go and drag down again. And what you need to do is find the option do not disturb. So if this is turned on, this will go and silence and stop notifications from coming through. So you can do that if you want, and this will be for all notifications, app notifications, and more. So you want to go and turn that off if you want them to go and come through to enable notifications, or turn it on to go and disable them. Now, what we can also do is go and do this for apps individually. So to go about this, what you want to do is go and swipe up. You want to go and find the option for settings, come down and find notifications and tap there. Then you can find app notifications. All your apps are going to go and load, and you can then go and turn them on or off to the right here. So I can turn it on or off. You can tap on it and you'll see a few more options as well when you go and allow them, like silence and what type of notifications. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.